What's up, family? I'm Nia, aka Siswentvegan, and I'm back with another tasty video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make a vegan coconut chickpea curry. So the first thing you want to do is saute your onions and garlic. So I already have coconut oil in the pan and I have the chopped onions in there. Once they become translucent, I'm going to go ahead and add the minced garlic. It has been such a long time since I've actually shown my face in a cooking video, and the reason is because I just haven't been feeling well. Well, now I'm starting to feel better, but for like the past month, 2 months, lupus has been kicking my butt. So it was just easier to just make videos where I'm only cooking and not really showing my face because I just wasn't feeling well. But now I'm starting to feel better. My doctor switched up some of my medications, but I also realized that the way I was eating just wasn't the best. I'm still vegan, right? But I was eating a lot of vegan junk food and my body was not responding well to that. So now I dialed that down a little bit, and then I started drinking my spinach smoothies almost every single day. I need to do it every day, honestly, but it's just been like mostly during the week, and then I normally stop on the weekends, which I shouldn't, I know, but sometimes I just get tired of it. Drinking almost a pound of spinach every day, it's a lot, right? But I know that it's good for my health, so I try to, as much as possible, drink a lot of those green smoothies with spinach and kale. They taste good, but sometimes I just get tired of it, Okay, so my onions are nice and translucent, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the minced garlic. And I'm just gonna saute this for a little bit until the garlic becomes fragrant. Make sure that you don't have your heat turned up too high because garlic can burn really quickly and then it'll have like a bitter taste, and you don't want that in your food. So just keep stirring it, let it cook a little until it becomes fragrant, and then we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, so the onions and garlic have been cooking for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. So now what I'm going to do is add in all my spices. I have some curry, some garlic powder, black pepper, cumin, smoked paprika, salt, and turmeric. So I'm just going to add these to the pan. Give it a good stir, and I'm going to let it cook for about 30 seconds without adding anything else to it. It smells so good. I'm going to go ahead and add about a cup of vegan chicken broth. And I'm also going to add 2 cans of coconut milk. I'm gonna add 1 can of diced tomatoes. Now for the tomatoes, I like to use some diced tomatoes that have chilies in it, but because children will be eating this meal, I do not want to make it spicy. And so I'm just gonna use regular, but if you like it to be spicy, you can go ahead and add the diced tomatoes that have the chilies in it. And then also for your seasonings, you can use a little bit of chopped red peppers or cayenne pepper. So I have those in there, and then I'm going to add all of my chickpeas. These are just cans of chickpeas that I rinsed and drained. I'm going to give this a really good stir. Once you've added everything to the pan, after that all you have to do is put a lid on it and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're done. You could serve it with brown or white rice, and then I'm also going to serve it with some mixed vegetables. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so happy to be back in front of the camera. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Here we go. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Here, get it.
Curry tastes good.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like curry.
You ever had curry before?
No.
So how you know it tastes like curry?
It just tastes like it.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, scale of 1 to 10.
10.
Really?
A 10 out of 10.
Hey, is it Manny approved? Kid approved?
Yeah.
All right. Want some more? Hit your leg, didn't you? Little ashy legs.
Ashy legs. Then, never be a meanie or a bully, and stand up for yourself.
All right. Thank you for the encouraging words, Manny.
Bye, everybody.
Yes. What'd you think? Is it good? Or is it yucky? It's good?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how is it?
10?
10? No, 10! That makes
Want some
20. That makes 20. We got 20 out of 20. Random loud bills.
You like it? Say bye, YouTube. I almost forgot to tell you guys that I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. If you want to enter, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and drop a comment under this video. Say whatever you want, but just make sure you use a coconut emoji, and that way I know you watched the entire video. I love you guys. Bye.